welcome back. So I had these moulds come in as Happy Mail, and again, thank you for sending me this. You know who you are. I love them. I've always wanted some snowflakes, and now I've got them. And I thought today we could give these a go. Excuse me, I'm so sorry guys. Right, as I was saying, I've got these snowflakes, and like I said, they're brand new. I've never used them. So today I thought we could have a play. Now, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be doing, but hopefully they'll turn out really nice, because if they do, I might give some to my neighbours and hopefully they like them as well. So yeah, just give me 2 minutes. I'm going to mix up my resin and I'll be right back.
Snow is falling softly on the window pane, candles glowing warm against the winter rain. Laughter in the kitchen, stories being told. This time of year never gets old. And every little moment feels like magic in the air, 'cause Christmas means the most when all the ones we love are there. So gather round the tree tonight, hearts shining like the Christmas lights, holding on to memories, the kind that set our spirits free. With every hug, with every smile, we make it Christmas time worthwhile. Oh, nothing feels as sweet or fine as family at Christmas time. Cookies on the table, stockings hung in place, little feet are racing in a happy holiday chase, wrapping up the presents, hiding them away, saving all our secrets for Christmas Day. And even if the world outside is cold and snowy white, our home is full of warmth that makes the season feel just right. So gather round the tree tonight, hearts shining like the Christmas lights, holding on to memories, the kind that set our spirits free. With every hug, with every smile, we make it Christmas time worthwhile. Oh, nothing feels as sweet or fine as family at Christmas time. Years go by and seasons change, but our love will stay the same. No matter where life leads us to, Christmas brings me home to you. So gather round the tree tonight, let love be our guiding light. Here together, hand in hand, the greatest gift in all the land. Through every laugh and every tear, I'm grateful for this time of year, 'cause nothing shines as pure, divine as family at Christmas time.
Guys, welcome back. So I've already demolded this one, really pretty. I don't know if I can demold them all because it's not been long enough yet since I did them, so got hair there. So we'll have, they are still a bit bendy. There we go. So that's that one. That's very pretty. Very simple to do as well. And there's this one. This one's had a bit of overflow unfortunately, but I might be able to trim that off, no problem, but that one's quite nice too. So that's those demolded. I'm not sure if these are quite, no, they're not quite ready yet. I'm not sure about these ones either, but looks like they're okay. Isn't that cute? Right, cute little snowflake. Here's the pink one. It's not focusing very well, is it? Very pretty. And last but not least, oh no, this is the pink one. That's a really pretty one as well. Okay, so that's as much as I can demold, I think, today. I think I can demold this as well, actually. No, maybe not. Okay. Yeah, so that's everything I can demold for today. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll really quickly demold the rest of them. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. And I did unfortunately forget to record the rest of the demold. I do apologise for that, guys. But here are the finished products. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's only just been a short one, but it is Christmas Eve, so I do want to get down with spending time with my family. So like I said, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I just want to thank all of my subscribers. I want to thank everybody for viewing this video, and I will see you on Saturday. Bye now, guys.